doctor? Okay, same as mine. Even I am also in the same. Good. What about others? What about others? Can one or two tell me what you want to do or what you want to become? 2 girls and 2 boys. One already told from here. I'd like to choose one more. Do others want to go to jobs? Government sector. Okay, 2 boys. So boys are first now? Very nice. Thank you so much. How about girls? What do you want to do? Just 2 people. Yes, madam. You want to become an HR manager. Very nice. Well, today I am here to talk about or to have a small workshop kind of a thing on corporate communication skills. I have been in the field of training communication since 2008. Corporate communication is one of the things that I always adore and I would love to work on this. Well, my workshops are, corporate communication cannot be taught or done a workshop in just in an hour. It has got about nothing less than 10 points, starting from your email writing to your business presentation with using your PPT, public speaking, how to give feedback, and then leadership skills. All those comes into picture. So what we can do is we can take 2 to 3 points in this today's session, each point for 15 minutes. Each point for 15 minutes will end up just in 45 minutes. We will be able to cover 3 points. Fine. So today we can take out of all those 10, public speaking is 1 point. Another point can be extempore topics speaking. Another 1 point can be how to give an effective feedback. Well, an effective feedback. Good job. See, the moment when you start, you're the winner. Participation is really very important. This is very difficult task to come on the stage. What topic I might give, how I might talk, everything keeps on going, isn't it? All right. Now, may I know your name?
My name is Vishal.
Vishal.
Yes.
Very nice name. Well, can you please tell me something about the role of a technology in business? The technology, role of a technology, and he also talked about olden days and currently what's happening around. One good thing what I liked about Vishal is the first thing that he raised hand and he came. That is number 1. Second thing, he also compared past and present. That was really good. Now, area of improvement could be, well, frequently I could hear that sir at the sentence of the last. Now, all are our audience. Well, we can openly deliver a talk as general, number 1. Number 2 can be, we can start our speech with a greeting. It is called OBC, opening, body and conclusion. Opening, body and conclusion. Well, that can be 2 things. Number 1 is, all are our audience, having an eye contact with all the audience. Number 2 is, opening your speech with greeting. Now, whoever is coming next, irrespective of topic, choose these 2 things, apply these feedback and deliver your talk. Sounds good? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Great job.